Punctuating dialogue. We use quotation marks to set off the exact words of a speaker. "I am a Star Wars fan," said David. The quotation marks come before and after the words. Other words, like "said David," are called attribution. They can appear before the quotation, after the quotation, or even in the middle of the quotation. When a period or a comma follows a quotation, put it within the quotation marks. If a question mark or an exclamation point follows a quotation, put it inside if it relates to the quotation. Put it outside if it relates to the rest of the sentence. So remember, periods and commas go inside the end quotation marks. Question marks and exclamation points go inside if they belong to the quotation, and outside if they belong to the rest of the sentence.